Hey.
I
can't believe I'm holding a panda. He is so cute. Oh my God, he's eating an apple.
Yeah.
Girl. Eating an apple.
Girl.
A girl.
Yeah.
A girl.
Sao girl? 哪个亲在啊？哦，那是小伙子 ，boy。Sorry.
It's a boy?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? Back? Okay? Okay? Oh, he feels, I'm all wrapped in plastic. I'm wearing protective covers for my shoes. I'm wearing a medical lab coat, and I'm wearing plastic gloves. So the panda is well protected. Oh, he is so cute. I can't believe I'm holding a live panda. There's less than 1,000 of these in the world. And this is a nursery for pandas. And I'm not sure the story of this panda, but he is so wonderful. Can you believe it? I'm actually holding it. Oh. Okay? Okay? No more time?
Yeah.
No, I want to take him home. To America.
Oh, 你抱回去嘛，抱回家去。
What's his name? His name? Name?
青仔。Yeah.
青仔。
Yeah， 你的中文说得很好。
青仔。
Yeah.
你好。
Mother 青青。
Mother Chin Chin.
Yeah.
Your mother's Chin Chin and you're Ching Zai?
Yeah.
他的名字还有一个名字叫闷墩儿。闷墩
He
儿。
likes me. He's holding my hand. Look. Oh, you are
He
adorable.
love you.
He loves me. I want to take this panda to El Paso, Texas. I work for the El Paso Zoo, and I want to take him with me, okay? You can't understand me. But I really do want to take this panda to Texas. Everybody would love him. Oh, he's going to eat another apple.
哎，我做过不巧，你儿把抱进去。
Just look at these feet.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.